Thiring chilu nidong nishu tsato chinda shibe tse ni nyingki nga zho sugar gyabe potang tu. Tenga gongsa kiamkuen kuting chushiba chenpo choki tidun zego kap kundun khonsu yoba. Sir Basil Gould la ki tsamu Francis Cutler chotang kongi kunda ne. Gongsa kiamkuen chenpo choki jega shusong watang. Sangni chamgu khone phemi dikzu chidil khyapgong phegi temdön khangtu. Frontier Diplomacy Britain Tibet and Sir Basil Gould she. Impe delam thang Sir Basil Gould she bethudung temdön shi uje nangi yopare tu.
We were very lucky today to get an audience with His Holiness just now, which was so moving that I nearly burst into tears, which I was quite surprised about, but it was really beautiful.
Ngalor inyu gi gesa London tu tenshi chebe bonams rindur songyur khangtu kushep Basil lagi kyunang we pari chadep thang yikza khaji dembe ki rindur songyur nang yobathang theda khongne mixe ki pherangje ni betubje gi yikza khaji kushep Basil lagi nangmi ne phemitikzu gi sekyong pemba siring chogi gi phegi demten khang la phyo yobar Thedel thiring jege thwe chamku Francis Cutler chone gongsakem gen chembu chola khonggi pola Sir Basil Gould lagi nyarsa chebe khelje yiksa khachi phemi diksu la phyo kornye seng shudu pathang gompo chone kyang thokse wa chembe chamku khongla temba chomde degi kunye shi chilap chudu nangtu.
Yes, the reason we're here is because in 1947 His Holiness wrote a letter to a very important document to my grandfather. And one was also written to President Truman, who was President of the United States at that time. And this was part of the trade mission, the Tibetan trade mission. And there are two documents, and we have now, as a family, donated them to the Tibet Museum here in Dharamshala because they show that in 1947-48, the whole world believed that Tibet was an independent sovereign state and not part of China.
It was recognition of their independent sovereignty status by the major Western governments.
And we discovered this document after my parents had died, and we found it in my parents' attic, and it hadn't been opened for 70 years, and it was like brand new. It was incredible. And now you can see it in the museum.
So Francis presented the documents to
Sikyong Penpatseri.
Sikyong in London, July last year.
And then they were brought here to Dharamshala.
Tsawe Sir Basil Gould lani thenga gyagar inji wangyuro ye backup ki denjong thang tu phechi ki inji shungsa bimba thang khong ne chilujik donggup ye chungi ne chikdonggup ye chosum phar phegi gezer ye be inji chongden kutsap na wa mase gongsakem gyen kuteng chosum ba chembo chogi phemi shungge shila in London ki Oxford tholop tu zamling rimbe shin lobjong tegi leshi roram nang go be konga chesa shi im bathang Chilujik donggup sumju sotu lorlar yang lasar pepde pimirma gi roram thang lase nang inji lekong chesu sogi ko la thedun nang yoba mase Chilujik donggup shibju lor lase nang gongsakem gyen kuteng chupshi ba chembo choki tidun zegwe kap kundren du pepnyong yoba re